Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Gmail inbox is always flooded and you keep losing important emails, today I'm going to show you a super easy trick to pin any email at the top of your inbox, just like you do in apps like WhatsApp or Telegram. Even though Gmail doesn't have a direct pin button, there's a clever workaround that achieves the exact same thing. Stick with me till the end and I'll also show you how to unpin emails anytime. Let's jump right in. We're going to use a Gmail feature called starred emails and change one simple setting to make them stay at the top of your inbox permanently. First, open Gmail on your computer or laptop. In the top right corner, you'll see a little gear icon. That's the settings button. Click it. A panel called quick settings will slide open. Here, find the option labeled inbox type. Click on it and from the drop-down list, choose starred first. What this does is tell Gmail to always show your starred emails at the top, acting just like a pinned section. Once you select starred first, Gmail will instantly rearrange your inbox. But if it doesn't, just refresh the page to apply the changes. Now comes the important part, pinning an email. To pin any message, hover your mouse over the email you want to keep at the top. You'll see a star icon appear on the left side. Click it once. The star will turn yellow and your email will automatically move to the top section labeled starred. That's it. You've successfully pinned an email in Gmail. You can repeat this for as many important emails as you want. Maybe it's a job offer, a receipt, a priority project, or a message from your boss. Whatever matters most now stays visible all the time. And if you ever want to unpin an email, it's just as easy. Click the yellow star again to remove it. Gmail will instantly return that email to its original position in your main inbox based on date. This method works and beyond, and the best part, no extensions, no hacks. It's built right into Gmail. And there you go. That's how you pin emails at the top of your Gmail inbox using the starred system. Quick, simple, and super effective. If this tutorial helped you organize your Gmail better, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.